How's it going, y'all? TK's here, and we're back for another unboxing and lapping video. And today we have a really fun one. It is the Ford Sierra RS500 Golf Edition by Scalextric. And if you know me, you know I love golf. I love the golf colors. They're fantastic. And these Ford Sierras are really, really cool. They recently put them in the Gran Turismo game that I play, and we've done a few lobbies using them, and they are quite a lot of fun. We'll take another closer look at that beautiful orange. Got the driver in there, and this particular one was driven by Richard and Millar, the number 7. I picked this one up while I was in Atlanta a while back, and when I got to the hobby store, I was sad to see that they didn't have any new slot cars and everything was discounted. So they were clearing out all their slot car inventory, which was a real bummer. So this one was 25% off, so that was really good. But take a closer look at it here. Very nice. Exhaust coming out the side there, so another side exit exhaust. I like that. Love the rims on this thing, and the livery looks very, very clean, very nicely done. It is licensed by Ford, so they have, you know, the Ford logo and everything on it. We got SVG Motorsport, svgmotorsport.com, and yeah. It feels very stiff, so we're definitely going to want to lube this thing up. I did get a new screwdriver that's not having any issues getting the bodies off, so hopefully this comes right off. Does this come with any goodies? No, it just comes with two extra guides there. And then on the inside it says... Oh, this has been sitting a long time. You can see there's like little marks from where the tires were. So no wonder they were discounting all of this stuff, because they were wanting to get rid of it. But there you have it. We'll go over to the track and get this thing taken apart so we can then run some laps. 5.22. Not great. This thing was weird. Not sure how I'm going to edit this, but either after this or you may have just seen, I had to do 2 goes at the 5 lap. So I did 10 laps instead of just 5 because the first go I crashed it like every turn. It was just weird. I don't know. I think it needs to be ran more. Obviously, it's straight out of the box. I just added a little oil. Tires didn't have a lot of grip. Magnet didn't really do much, if I'm honest. It kept deslotting a lot, so I don't know about this guide. But yeah, it wasn't the best performing car I've ever had. But it is gorgeous. So we're going to be happy that we have this beautiful Gulf Ford Sierra RS500. And that concludes our unboxing and lapping of this car. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Are you a Ford Sierra fan? I didn't really know much about them until semi-recently when they added them to Gran Turismo, because this wasn't the type of racing I watched growing up. But very, very cool, and I know there's a lot of history about these. But I absolutely love the way it looks. Didn't love the way it drove on my track. But I think with some work, we could make this one get into the 4 seconds. So maybe that'll be a video I do on down the road where we try to tune this one a little bit and see if we can't get it into that 4 second mark. But yeah, please like, subscribe, do all those YouTube things. I got a few more slot cars that I haven't unboxed yet, so those will be coming here in the near future. And yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Take care.